So now what are the advantages of strategic management? So there are six main most important advantages of strategic management. First one is discharge board responsibility. First and most important advantage of strategic management is discharge board responsibility. The first reason that most organizations state for having a strategic management process is that it discharges the responsibility of board of directors. This is the first and most important advantage of strategic management, that discharge board responsibility, that is board of director. Okay, so next, forces and objective assessment. Forces and objective assessment means strategic management, gives a discipline that enables the board and senior management to actually take a step back from the day-to-day business to think about the future of the organization. Without this discipline, the organization can become solely consumed with working though the next issue or problem without consideration of the larger picture. So forces and objective assessment is very important also, because it gives the discipline that enables the board and senior management to actually take a step back from the day-to-day business to think about the future of the organization. Without this discipline, the organization can become solely consumed with working through the next issue or without the consideration of the larger picture. So forces and objective assessment is very important. So next most important advantages of strategic management is it provides a framework for decision making. A for framework for decision, discharge board responsibility, then forces and objective assessment, provides a framework for decision making. What do you mean by framework for decision making? Strategy provides a framework within which all staff can make day-to-day operational decisions and understand that those decisions are all operate the organization in a single direction. It is not possible nor realistic or appropriate for the board to know all the decisions the executive director will have to make, nor is it possible nor realistic or practical for the executive director to know all the decisions the staff will make. So strategic provides a vision of the future, confirm the purpose and value of an organization, set objectives and opportunities, and then determines method to leverage strength and mitigate weaknesses at minimum. So framework for decision making is the most important advantages of strategic management. Next, supports understanding and buy-in. Supports understanding and support understanding and buy-in means allowing the board staff participation in the strategic management and enable them to a better understanding the direction, why that direction was selected and the associated benefits. For some employees, simply knowing is enough. For many employees, to gain their full support require them to understand. So supports understanding and buy-in also important in case of strategic management. Then enables measurement of progress. Enables measurement of progress. Means a strategic management processes forces an objective assessment an organization to set objective and measure success. The setting of measures of success requires that the organization first determine what is critical to its ongoing process and then forces the establishment of objectives and keeps these critical measures in front of the board and senior management so that it will be easy for all to achieve the goals. Okay, so next important point is provides an organizational perspective. Provides an organizational perspective. This is last and most important advantages that provides an organizational perspective. Means addressing operational issues rarely looks at the whole organization and the interrelatedness of its varying components. Strategic management takes an organizational perspective and looks at all the components and the interrelationship between those components in order to develop a strategy that is optimal for the whole organization and not a single component. So these are all important points of advantages of strategic management. First, discharge board responsibility, then forces an objective assessment, then provides for a framework for decision making, supports understanding and buy-in, enables measurement of progress, then it provides an organizational perspective. So these are important advantages. You can write in short that D, F, B and SEP. SEP. First, discharge board responsibility. A for forces and objective assessment. P for provides a framework for decision making. Then S for supports understanding and buy-in. Then E for enables measurement of progress. Then V for it provides an organizational perspective. So very important topics. Thank you.